Imagine walking into almost any country in the world, whether it's the United States, the UK, China, or Brazil, and asking for a soft drink. Chances are the first name that comes to mind is Coca-Cola, not because it's the only option, but because it's the most recognizable. That level of global dominance didn't happen by accident. It's the result of one of the most powerful and consistent marketing strategies ever built. Coca-Cola understood early on that selling a product is not enough. You have to sell a feeling. Instead of focusing only on taste or ingredients, Coca-Cola built its brand around happiness, sharing, and togetherness. Its advertisements rarely talk about the drink itself. Instead, they show people celebrating, laughing, and connecting. This is a classic example of emotional branding, where the product becomes associated with positive life moments. One of Coca-Cola's most successful campaigns was Share a Coke. Instead of the traditional logo, Coca-Cola replaced it with popular names on the bottles. Suddenly, the product felt personal. People started searching for their own names, sharing bottles with friends, and posting pictures on social media. This campaign combined personalization with social engagement, turning a simple beverage into a personal experience. Consistency has been a major factor in Coca-Cola's success. For decades, the brand has maintained a strong visual identity. Its red color, iconic logo, and classic bottle design are instantly recognizable. Whether you see a Coca-Cola advertisement in London or Beijing, the core message remains the same. This consistency builds strong brand recall and brand equity, making it easier for customers to trust and remember the brand. Coca-Cola also mastered global marketing with local adaptation. While the brand maintains a consistent global identity, it adjusts its campaigns to fit local cultures and preferences. This strategy allows Coca-Cola to feel both global and personal at the same time, helping it connect with diverse audiences around the world. Another important factor behind Coca-Cola's dominance is its massive distribution network. The company ensures that its product is available almost everywhere, from supermarkets and restaurants to small local shops. In marketing terms, this is a powerful use of the place strategy, making the product convenient and accessible at all times. Coca-Cola's success shows that long-term brand building is about more than just selling products. It's about creating emotional connections, maintaining consistency, and staying present in customers' daily lives. When a brand becomes part of people's habits and memories, it achieves true dominance. This is the Learning Studio. And in the next episode, we will explore how McDonald's built global success through consistency and localization at scale.